Want to start shopping on Temu? Let's create your account in just few steps. First, open the Temu app or go to temu.com in your browser. Tap on the sign up button at the top right corner of the screen. You will see a few options. Sign up using your Google account, Facebook, Apple ID, or with your email. Choose your preferred method. If you use email, enter your email address, create a secure password, and tap Create Account. You'll receive a verification code in your email. Just copy and paste it into the box. Once verified, you are officially a Temu user. You can now explore deals, set your preferences, and even grab welcome coupons. Use a real email you check often. Temu sends order updates and discount codes there. Let me know in the comments, did you sign up with email or social login? And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.